In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a project due date in Asana and have tasks automatically adjust based on that date. First, make sure you're on a desktop or laptop for the best experience. Log into your Asana account, then open the project you want to work on. Once you're inside the project, look along the top for the timeline view. Click Timeline to switch from list or board to a visual schedule, which is perfect for seeing how all your work fits together over time. At the very top of the timeline, you'll see the project due date field. Click that field and choose the date you want your entire project to be completed. Think of this as the anchor for your schedule. It sets the finish line, which makes the rest of your planning much easier. Next, make sure your tasks already have dates set on the timeline. Each task should appear as a bar spanning from a start date to a due date. If you don't see a bar for a task, it probably doesn't have dates yet. Open the task and confirm it has a start and due date, so it will appear on the timeline and be included in the schedule shifts. Now, position your tasks relative to the project due date. Click and drag each task bar on the timeline to the spot that reflects when it should happen in relation to the project finish. For example, a final review might sit just before the project due date, while research or drafting tasks might sit weeks earlier. As you drag, keep an eye on the dates and the spacing between tasks so that the order and durations make sense. This is a good time to build in buffers for feedback and approvals so there's breathing room if something runs long. With your tasks placed relative to the project due date, you now have a dynamic schedule. When the project due date changes, everything will move to stay aligned. To see this in action, click the project due date at the top of the timeline again and pick a new date. You'll notice that all tasks on the timeline automatically shift forward or backward, preserving their relative positions and durations. This saves time and reduces the risk of manual errors when plans change. That's it. Set the project due date, ensure tasks have dates, position them relative to the finish line, and let Asana handle the adjustments whenever your deadline moves. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.